Working professionals. The word itself depicts the people who are busy in their life, running around their jobs from dawn to dark, but still no one can stop them from aiming high. Are you one of such working professional who is persistently in search of adding value in their current designation by enhancing their CVs and resumes but parallelly managing the financial crisis? So, welcome to Construction World with Dash Baba. Friends, today we are going to talk about one of such institute which offers quality education at doorsteps, that is the distance learning education offered by National Institute of Construction Management and Research, NICMAR. NICMAR has started offering distance education program in late 90s, and currently part-time weekend postgraduate programs are offered by NICMAR School of Distance Education, that is NICMAR SODE, through centers at Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad and Delhi campus in India. Here you can see the list of programs offered in various campuses. CMWP, PMWP and QSCMWP are the courses offered in Mumbai. Hyderabad campus offers QSCMWP, PMWP and FMWP, whereas CMWP and PMWP are the courses offered in Pune and Delhi campus. So, let's talk about these post-graduation programs in detail. Project Management for Working Professionals, PMWP. The objective of this program is to groom professional managers and executives working in construction industry as an excellent project managers to achieve their goals efficiently and effectively without time and cost overruns. This course is 11 months part-time weekend program offered in NICMAR Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad and Delhi. Under this course, total 17 subjects are covered in 4 terms. Fees for this course is approximately 2 lakhs. Now, Construction Management for Working Professionals, that is CMWP. Significance of this program is to develop competencies in construction management tools, techniques and skills, to acquire proficiency in construction project management, including controlling time, cost and quality of projects, to gain knowledge regarding dynamics of construction management. This course is 11 months part-time weekend program offered in NICMAR Mumbai, Pune and Delhi. Under this course, total 17 subjects are covered in 4 terms. Fees for this course is approximately 2 lakhs. Another course is Quantity Survey and Contracts Management for Working Professionals, QSCMWP. The objective of this program is to enhance proficiency in estimation of quantities, preparation of BOQs and submission of tenders. Post-contract functions like monthly valuations and project variance report, identification of claims and extra works at site, administrations of contracts, arbitration and dispute resolution, information technology application in contracts management and quantity surveying. This course is 11 months part-time weekend program offered in NICMAR Mumbai and Hyderabad. Under this course, total 16 subjects are covered in 4 terms, of which 10 subjects are covered under contracts management and 6 subjects are covered under quantity surveying. Fees for this course is approximately 1.7 lakhs. Another course is Facility Management for Working Professionals, FMWP. The objective of this program is to enhance the proficiency in facilities management systems, techniques and processes along with dynamics of operations and maintenance of facilities in a built environment. It also helps in controlling facility operational cost, quality of services and stakeholder management by integration of engineering, management and legal knowledge. This course is 11 months part-time weekend program offered in NICMAR Hyderabad. Under this course, total 18 subjects are covered in 4 terms. Fees for this course is approximately 1.7 lakhs. So friends, let's talk about admission process of distance learning program. The online forms for admissions are available throughout the year, and for all the courses, eligibility criteria is bachelor's degree in any branch of engineering, technology, architecture, planning, with minimum 2 years of work experience, or bachelor's degree in any non-engineering discipline with 3 years of work experience, or diploma in any branch of engineering, technology, architecture or planning with minimum 4 years of work experience on construction projects. So friends, these are 4 part-time weekend post-graduation programs offered in NICMAR for distance learning. Documents required while submitting the online application are ID proof, photograph, mark sheets of 10th, 12th, BE or BTech, degree, work experience certificate or an undertaking of experience is optional. Fields such as work experience details regarding company detail, place of work are mandatory for submitting the form. Based on eligibility criteria, the admissions are given on first come first served basis, as seats for every batch are limited, that is 20 to 25 students per batch, and this is based on campus selected, but it may change in future. After submitting an application, within few days a confirmation mail with applicant being selected for the course is received, along with schedule of forthcoming batches for particular course. From this, one should choose the batch and timings according to their convenience and reply back through mail, and can continue with the selected program. Friends, this is one of the video of our NICMAR series. You can watch more videos on NICMAR related to other courses, admission and placements on our channel. So please do like, subscribe and share our channel, and provide your valuable comment in the comment box for any queries and suggestions.